Key Security Systems presents a tech support video. How to change the battery in a PowerMaster Smart PIR detector. The MP-802 PG2. You will need one CR123A battery per device. To remove the front cover, you need to pinch the base of the detector by putting pressure on the front half of the unit as shown. The front cover then lifts off by hinging it upwards. After removing the cover from the sensor, you may receive a tamper alert from your alarm. You can unplug the telephone lead before you start. This will stop the system from calling anybody. Once you have completed the battery change, wait 5 minutes before plugging the telephone lead back in to ensure it has finished the calling cycle. Alternatively, if you do receive a phone call from the system, answer the call and press the number 2 on your phone's keypad to stop it calling the next number. The battery is located at the top of the unit. Simply pull the old battery out from the clips. Then you can insert a new battery, positioning the positive and negative ends of the battery properly during replacement. The front cover is then put back by first hooking the top and then hinging it down until it clicks into place. Check the panel to make sure the amber trouble light has gone off. To learn more about the PowerMaster security system and other Visonic devices, please visit www.keysecurity-systemsltd.com.